So we'll start with cat and cow stretch to warm up yourself. Keep your arms straight in line and keep your thighs straight in line. You can tuck your toes or flat your toes. Inhale. Look up. Arch your back. Exhale. Look down. Hunch your back. Inhale. Look up. Arch your back. Exhale. Look down. Hunch your back. Suck your belly in. Inhale. Look up. Arch your back. Exhale. Suck your belly in. Hunch your back. Look down. Inhale. Look up. Arch your back. Exhale. Hunch your back. One more. Inhale. Look up. Arch your back. Stay there for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Hunch your back. Stay there for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Keep your spine parallel. Keep your arms step ahead. Tuck your toes and slowly lift your knees up. Keep your knee slightly bent and push yourself backward. If possible, look into your thumb or look into your navel. Push the mat. Lengthen your spine and if possible, try to straight your knees. Don't round your back. Keep your spine straight. Stay there for 5 to 8 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly put your knees down. Lay down on the mat. Keep your elbows under your shoulder, palm facing down. Keep your legs straight. You can close your legs to each other or you can open the legs around hip width apart. Keep your shoulders backward. Inhale. Look up. Chest up. Toes pointed. Stay there for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, down. Put your arms under your thigh. Put your chin on the mat. Keep your legs together. Inhale, raise your left leg up. Keep your right knee tight, toe pointed. Stay there for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly put your leg down. Inhale, raise your left leg up. Keep your knee tight, toe pointed. 1. Stay there for 5 to 8 breaths. 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly put your left leg down. Keep your hands under your shoulder. Roll back your shoulder. Keep your shoulders down and keep your elbows close to the body. Keep your legs tight. Slowly inhale. Raise your neck up and lift your chest. Keep your elbow bent. Stay there for 5 to 8 breaths. 1, 2. Keep your shoulders away from your neck and ears. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, down. Again, keep your arms under your thighs. Keep your chin on the mat. And now inhale, lift your legs up, keep your legs tight and toes pointed. Inhale, up. Stay there for 5 to 8 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, down. Again, put your hands under your shoulder. Roll back your shoulders away from your neck and ears. Keep your legs straight. Inhale, lift your neck up, chest up, and if possible, try to straighten your elbows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, child pose. Open your legs on the edge of the mat. Keep your arms straight. Try to lengthen your spine. Relax yourself. Again, lay down. Keep your arms straight. And now inhale. Lift your upper body and your lower body. Try to balance on your navel. Inhale. Stay there for 5 to 8 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and relax. Again, put your hands under your shoulders. Keep your legs straight. Roll back your shoulder. Inhale. Lift up your neck and chest, and if possible, try to straighten your elbows. Look up. Stay there for 5 to 8 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Child pose. Open your knees on the edge of the mat. Keep your arms straight. Try to lengthen your spine. Put your hips on your heel. Deep breathing. Just to relax yourself. Inhale, raise your arms, lift up your spine, Hastuttan, and slowly exhale, put your hands down. Lay down on the mat, straight. Bend your knees, open your legs, hip width apart. Put your palms down. Slowly inhale. Lift up your lower back. Setu Bandhasan. Inhale. Exhale. Suck your belly in. Interlock your fingers. Try to externally rotate your shoulders. Keep your elbows straight and lift your lower back higher. Stay there for 5 to 8 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you are not comfortable in this position, you can hold in this position. Put your palms under your back and stay there for 5 to 8 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly put your hands down and put your lower back down. Inhale. Press your thigh on your abdomen area. Tuck your toes. Stay there for 5 to 8 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax in Shavasana for a couple of minutes. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to the channel, like or share this video, comment below as well. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Take care guys.